So we have three key aims for our research. The first is, as I mentioned earlier, to identify those key leadership behaviors. We're not seeking to identify one key leadership style, but rather reflecting on and analyzing which leadership behaviors from a variety of studies are effective at maintaining employee engagement, especially in a telecommuting organization that is adapting to COVID-19 changes. Our second aim would be to also recognize the different demographic traits and their impact on perceived efficacy of leadership traits. So again, noticing and commenting on any patterns we identify across the board or that are unique to certain generational or gender traits or groups. So seeing whether or not one generation prefers a certain behavior over another, or if one is maybe more effective. And then our third aim is to be able to offer suggestions to organizations. Again, I know I keep stressing this, but it is a global pandemic, and the fact remains that we are having to see just this changing role of leadership going from adaptive to situational to transformational. There's so many different means to employ various leadership behaviors at this time, so we want to be able to offer suggestions on ways to improve and maintain employee engagement in the middle of such a tumultuous time. So ultimately our aims are, as I mentioned, just to summarize, to identify the leadership behaviors, to recognize individual traits that may cause a difference in those results, and then to also offer suggestions for improved organizational efficacy.